Hello, welcome back to the Off-Grid family. Today I'm designing a pen holder that I can then 3D print to hold a set of these pens. I do most of my designs straight into the computer, but I often do a little bit here and there outside the computer if I'm feeling lazy or if I'm watching something. This will be free on my Patreon, so pop over there if you want to pick it up. Anyway, let's get on. Okay, so it's a really rudimentary, simple thing to hold the pens in, but I've got these holes all the way around it, and these are for magnets, so I've got metal things to stick to it, and it's going to be sticking to a metal thing. So these ones here are shallower, but that's so that I can get as much of the magnet to touch the metal shelving that it's connecting to. Due to 3D printing being so easy and so useful, I always 3D print a design out first, like to do a test fit, and I'm so glad I did this time because basically I measured the pens and I measured a pen and it fits perfectly, and I was like, okay, happy days. But then just happenstantially I picked up pen number 8, and pen number 8 is a different size to all the other pens. For some reason pen number 8 literally won't fit in any of the holes, so I had to make the 8th hole, which I decided arbitrarily is this one. I made this one bigger in the final design, so hopefully that will now fit. But if I hadn't have done a test fit, I wouldn't have done that, and I would have printed the whole thing out, which would have been a pain in the bum. Sorry to stop the video here, but if you like what you're watching and you'd like free models and various other bits and bobs, I put a lot of free stuff onto my Patreon, and then there's a paid tier as well for other things. Thank you, Darren, by the way. I really appreciate all the time you've put into this channel. You seriously are the man. But yeah, if you'd like to join him, all the links are in the description. Okay, so I hadn't noticed that there was 2 holes going through, but it doesn't matter, it makes no difference. There's still enough room for the magnets to stick to it. So I'm going to use actual super glue and an activator, and I'm just going to get that done. It is a bit dirty, and I got super glue everywhere, but you know, it's for pens, who cares? Okay, so magnetize it on here, and then we put on the ruler. Oh, sorry, the ruler, and both of them are magnetic, and they go on the sides. And then I've got 2 writing pens. Both of them have magnetic lids, so we plunk them on like this. Happy days. Super simple 3D design, and I'm getting better as I go along, so hopefully we'll have a lot more sort of complexity in the future. But again, if you want it, it's free on my Patreon now.